Amazon, Jeff Bezos, he's doing the rocket thing as well, as you're aware.
The rocket thing.
Yeah, him and Elon, they're into space. They're into rockets.
Space race.
And Bezos just showed off a new picture of his NS-15 rocket on social media. Now, this article doesn't make it all that easy to find the actual image. So it's easier to just head to his Instagram. Just type Jeff Bezos Instagram. And you can see, I mean, he took a reduced role at Amazon. And he's posting Instagram photos.
Is he
of
just
rockets.
chilling right now? Like he's not.
Oh no, Bezos doesn't chill, man.
He has no capacity to chill.
Bezos hasn't chilled in. Man, I can't imagine the last time Bezos chilled. Look at him.
That is a picture. Oh man.
Look at that. Look at the hat and the pipes on him. I think he's wearing cowboy boots. Like, you think this man chills?
No, not anymore.
Sheesh.
That's a rugged.
You can click
looking
through. It's
machine.
actually 3 images. Yeah.
That's the rocket there.
She's a rocket, all right. Here it comes. And he landed it. Him and Elon are doing the same stuff. It's not identical.
Oh, with the CG?
It's obviously not identical, but.
It's not CG, by the way.
It just feels
really
like it.
good. Look at that.
Yeesh, look at that thing.
Yeah. Now, I don't think this rocket is as big as what we saw in the last Starship, right?
Wow.
It is pretty big, though.
Is that a feather pattern?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Looks like it.
This stuff is crazy. I've been watching this show called The Expanse. It's really sci-fi, and this stuff is crazy.
Click the next one, Will.
This rocket is landing itself. This is automated. Yeah, there's nobody in that thing. Is there?
No. Yeah, it controls the whole thing itself.
That is crazy.
I mean, there's a person there, though. I presume. I don't know. Or maybe that capsule's empty. Everybody's trying to figure out this space thing sooner than the next guy. And it's all kinds of battles. They had to battle in court between SpaceX and Bezos' company.
Like literally a space battle.
Over who can put satellites where. And then there's this, whoever's going to do travel first.
Yeah, what's the ultimate goal, do you think? Obviously, you're not Bezos, but what do you think his ultimate goal is here?
Maybe I am.
You've never seen them in the same place
I just think,
at the same
I
time.
think you get to a certain level. And the world starts to get small, if that makes sense.
Right.
These guys have untold billions.
Cowboy hats.
Like mega billions to the point where everything seems trivial. Like, oh, here's an apartment in Manhattan. Like, so what? Like, so what?
Does it fly into space? No.
But also to get to the billions that they have, like they're just not going to stop working. They're going to keep going.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, there's definitely a drive towards it, but I think we're speaking more specifically about why the space thing right now, because like space is so hot right now, and then you had all that off time. Like they went to the moon and then everybody chilled. I'm not saying everybody chilled, but like you had space stations and all the rest, but there was that really intense space race at one time.
Yeah.
And it's weird that it just comes and goes in waves, seemingly, as far as the public consciousness is concerned. And now we have the world's 2 richest people competing. It's not countries. And countries are still involved in doing interesting things. I mean, you had the Mars rover with NASA and everything else. But that these 2 guys have decided that this is kind of the most ambitious project. And in a way, this ambition is seemingly more significant than wealth. Seemingly, like from a legacy perspective.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The first dude to really do the space thing, I mean, that's a name right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know, when you said that it wasn't countries, it kind of sparked it in me. It's a lot like the Wright brothers. Like it's not like a national program. It's not NASA. This is Jeff Bezos over here trying to rip a rocket out of the stratosphere.
And I think you need to ask yourself, as you look at this from a distance, let's say you've got untold billions. What sparks your curiosity? I don't know. Space is a pretty good place to start.
The unknown?
The unknown. I mean, what some people, Bill Gates is not super into it. He went the other way. He's like, wait, this planet, I want to do stuff here. He's like, wait, vaccines and charity and eco.
He's very humanity.
and books and philanthropy. And in fact, you almost get a sense when he speaks that he's not like super into some like what they're doing with the space stuff. So it's not necessarily the case that you got to go space, but I can feel the appeal of it. Untold billions, I'm out, boys. I'm going. I'm doing a space thing too.
Yeah.
I'll be like, what? These guys got rockets? Let me try a rocket.
Yeah.
Billions.
Yeah.
You just, try to comprehend billions.
I mean, what do people think we're sitting in right now? The studio is a rocket
Yeah, we're in space.
on its way to space.
We didn't tell you.
It's
Yet.
where we're at.
Yeah, we're in that rocket right there.
Mm-hmm.
Bezos is actually saying bye to us.
Mm-hmm.